In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send video in LinkedIn Message. Whether you're following up after a meeting or sharing a quick demo, sending a video directly in a LinkedIn message makes your outreach more personal and clear. Here's how to do it on desktop, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then press Enter. From the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in before moving on. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top navigation bar and click Messaging. This opens your inbox, where you can see all your recent conversations. Choose the conversation where you want to share the video. This brings up the message composer at the bottom of the thread. In the message box, find the paperclip icon. This is the attachment button. Click it to open your computer's file picker. When the file window appears, navigate to the folder that contains your video and select the file you want to send. Most common video formats are supported, but smaller files upload faster and are less likely to fail on a slow connection. If your clip is particularly long, consider choosing a shorter version to keep it easy for the recipient to watch. After you've selected the video, you'll see it appear in the Composer area as an attachment. You can type a short note to give context, like what the video covers or why you're sharing it, so the recipient knows what to expect. Finally, click Send. LinkedIn will start uploading the video and deliver it to the conversation. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, the upload may take a moment. Keep the tab open until it finishes. Once it's delivered, the recipient will see a playable preview right inside the chat. That's all there is to it. Open LinkedIn from Google, head to Messaging, open a conversation, attach your video with the paperclip, select the file, and send. If anything doesn't appear to work, double-check your connection and confirm the video isn't larger than LinkedIn's current limits. And remember, a concise message plus a clear video makes your outreach more effective and professional. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher. Before you go, make sure your video is relevant and respectful of privacy, especially when it includes other people. Clear, concise, and permission-friendly content performs best in professional conversations.